Let's solve this Olympiad equation together. It says root of y plus root of minus y is equal to 4. How do we solve this? And the first thing to do is that we can isolate root of minus y. So we have this to be equal to 4 minus root of y. Now let's square both sides. So we have root of minus y squared is equal to 4 minus root of y squared. Square root and square strikes out, so you have minus y left to be equal to 4 squared is 16. 4 times 2 is 8 times minus y is minus 8 root y. Minus root y squared is plus y. Okay. From here we are going to have 8 root y to be equal to 16 plus 2y. Right? Now if you reduce further, you have from here you have 2 into 8 plus y to equal to 8 root y. Now you have 4 root y to be equal to 8 plus y. Okay. Now let's square both sides again. So we have 4 squared to be 16. Root y squared is y to be equal to 8 squared is 64 plus y squared is y squared plus 8 times y is 8y times 2 is 16y. Okay. Now 16y and 16y strike each other on both sides. So that we have y squared plus 64 equals 0. Now y squared plus 64 is equal to 0. It means that y squared is equal to minus 64. Okay. Hence we have that y will be equal to square root of minus 64, which is equal to square root of minus 1 times square root of 64. And this is equal to square root of minus 1 is I, and square root of 64 is 8, so we have 8i. Okay, so y is equal to 8i. Okay, so you can add plus or minus, and this is